Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
In determinant, minus 4 upon 7, minus 6 upon 35. 5 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 5 minus minus 6 upon 35 into 5 is equal to 8 upon 35 plus 30 upon 35, which is equal to 38 upon 35. The cost of 2 tables and 5 chairs is rupees 2,200. Solution. Let the cost of 1 table be rupees X and cost of 1 chair be rupees Y. Then 2x plus 5y is equal to 2,200. What is the equation of y-axis? Hence, find the point of intersection of y-axis and the line y is equal to 3x plus 2. The equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now, to find out the point of intersection of the equations x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3x plus 2, we will have to consider x is equal to 0 as equation number 1 and y is equal to 3x plus 2, that is 3x minus y is equal to minus 2 as equation number 2. Now, putting x is equal to 0 from equation 1, in equation 2 we get 3x minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, 3 into 0 minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Hence, point of intersection is 0, 2. Examine whether the point 2, 5 lies on the graph of equation 3x minus y is equal to 1. To find that the point 2, 5 lies on the graph of equation 3x minus y is equal to 1, we will have to substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 5 in the given equation and see whether the points satisfy the equation. Therefore, the given equation is 3x minus y is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to 3x minus y, which is equal to 3 into 2 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, which is nothing but RHS. As these 2 points satisfy the equation, we can say that point 2, 5 lies on the graph of equation 3x minus y is equal to 1. Without plotting the graphs, find the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 5y is equal to 13 and 4x minus 9y is equal to 7. We have 2x plus 5y is equal to 13. Let this be equation number 1. and 4x minus 9y is equal to 7. Let this be equation number 2. Now multiply equation 1 by 2, we get 4x plus 10y is equal to 26. Let this be equation number 3. Now subtracting equation 2 from 3, we get 4x plus 10y is equal to 26 minus 4x minus 9y is equal to 7. The signs of the equation 2 changes and 4x and minus 4x gets cancelled out. We have 19y is equal to 19. Therefore, y is equal to 19 divided by 19, which is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we get 2x plus 5y is equal to 13. 2x plus 5 into 1 is equal to 13. 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. Therefore, 2x is equal to 13 minus 5. Therefore, 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Thus, the point of intersection is 4, 1. If x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of equation 3x plus ky is equal to 3, find k. Solution. The given equation is 3x plus ky is equal to 3. And we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 as its solution. Putting these values in the given equation, we get 3 into 5 plus k into 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, 15 plus 3k is equal to 3. Therefore, 3k is equal to 3 minus 15. Therefore, 3k is equal to minus 12. Therefore, k is equal to minus 12 divided by 3. Therefore, k is equal to minus 4. Find dx for the following simultaneous equations. 5x is equal to 10 minus 2y and y is equal to 3x minus 11. These equations can be written as 5x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 3x minus y is equal to 11. Here, a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 10 and a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 11. By Cramer's rule, dx is equal to, in determinant, c1 b1 c2 b2 is equal to, in determinant, 10 2 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 into minus 1 minus 11 into 2 is equal to minus 10 minus 22, which is equal to minus 32. Therefore, dx is equal to minus 32. If The point 3, 2 lies on the graph of the equation 5x plus ay is equal to 19. Then find a. Solution. It is given that point 3, 2 lies on the graph of equation 5x plus ay is equal to 19. Therefore, putting the values x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in the equation, we get 5 into 3 plus a into 2 is equal to 19. Therefore, 15 plus 2a is equal to 19. Therefore, 2a is equal to 19 minus 15. Therefore, 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2. In determinants 1.2, 0.03, 0.57, minus 0.23 is equal to 1.2 into minus 0.23 minus 0.57 into 0.03 is equal to minus 0.276 minus 0.0171, which is equal to minus 0.2931. Points 3, minus 1 and 6, 1 lie on the line represented by the equation px plus qy is equal to 9. Find the values of p and q. Solution. The equation of line is given as px plus qy is equal to 9. And the 2 points of intersection are 3, minus 1 and 6, 1. This means that they satisfy the equation. Therefore, putting 3 minus 1 in the equation, we get p into 3 plus q into minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 3p minus q is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, putting 6, 1 in the given equation, we get p into 6 plus q into 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 6p plus q is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get 3p minus q is equal to 9 plus 6p plus q is equal to 9. Here, minus q plus q gets cancelled out and we get 9p is equal to 18. Therefore, p is equal to 18 divided by 9. Therefore, p is equal to 2. Now putting the value of p in equation 1, we get 3p minus q is equal to 9. 3 into 2 minus q is equal to 9. 6 minus q is equal to 9. Therefore, minus q is equal to 9 minus 6. Therefore, minus q is equal to 3. Therefore, q is equal to minus 3. Hence, we have p is equal to 2 and q is equal to minus 3.